Now for this next experiment, you're going to need a bowl, and you can put milk in it if you want. I'm going to use water here. You also need some O's. Now here's what you want to notice. You don't want to put so many of the O's in here that you can't see this happen. You want a lot of space in here. So what you want to do is you want to move some of the O's around, and if you notice, they're all attracted to each other. I'm going to kind of separate one from the pack over here and kind of send it this way. And it moves faster and is attracted, and it actually moves fastest when it actually gets really, really close to the other pack. You'll notice that it is attracted and moves fastest when it becomes closer to a pack of O's. Now if it's so far away, it's actually not going to do anything, but if you just give it a little nudge, it'll start to move. And it'll speed up the closer that it gets to another O. So your breakfast cereal has a very magnetic quality. So you don't want to shove them over too fast. Just kind of get it kind of close and then see what happens. They're like little tiny magnets that line up with each other. And you notice they go faster in that last little bit right before they actually connect with the rest of the O's. Go ahead and give that a try. When you're done, feel free to eat your cereal.